everyone, and welcome back to the Forensic Math. Today we are here with a case study related to narcotics. The case study is about Bangalore drug case. Introduction to the case. Missing son of ex-Karnataka minister Aditya Alva allegedly dealt in the ecstasy pills at the farmhouse parties. So far, 12 people have been arrested in the Bangalore drug case, including actors Ragini Dwivedi and Sanjana Galrani, who were currently in the judicial custody. In the ongoing investigations into the Bangalore drug racket case, in which Aditya Alva, the son of late politician Jivaraj Alva, was named, the Central Crime Branch officials have intensified their search at his farmhouse in the Hebbal. Aditya, one of the prime accused in this case, along with the Shiva Prakash Chhappi, who works with the Transport Department, is still absconding after the 13 days of the FIR being registered. So far, 12 people have been arrested, including the actors Ragini Dwivedi and Sanjana Galrani, who were in the judicial custody. Joint Commissioner of Police Sandeep Patil told Times of India that they are making the best efforts to trace Alva and the others. On being asked about the delayed raid on Aditya's house, Patil replied, "Search warrant is given by the courts on evidence and materials placed by the investigating officer. They have submitted the evidence collected so far in the court and obtained the warrant. In the raid, narcotics have been found." In a statement, the Central Crime Branch said search warrant obtained and search is being conducted at Aditya's farmhouse near Hebbal called House of Life. The police team stormed into his grand house situated on the banks of Nagwara Lake in Hebbal and searched the premises. The bungalow is spread over 4 acres and is used by Alva to organize parties where drugs are allegedly supplied. Those arrested in the case include film actress Ragini Dwivedi and Sanjana Galrani, party organizer Viren Khanna, realtor Rahul Tonse, and an RTO clerk B.K. Ravishankar. The Central Crime Branch took up the matter after the Narcotics Control Bureau arrested 3 people, including a woman with a huge catch of synthetic drugs, who was allegedly supplying them to the Kannada film actors and actress. Another report claimed that Ravishankar had informed the police that most of the drug parties were held at Aditya's farmhouse. He had also confessed to use and consumption of the drugs in these parties. According to the Ravishankar, it is the same farmhouse where ecstasy pills were consumed. On Thursday, a video had gone viral which led to the allegations that one of the actors arrested in the case is involved in the honey trapping. A senior officer said that video is yet to be verified. Bangalore Mirror reported. Central Crime Branch sleuths on Thursday arrested 3 more drug peddlers and recovered 90 kg of marijuana worth 50 lakh, the reporter further said. The accused have been identified as Azam Pasha, 25-year-old, owner of the flat in Dodabanhali, where the marijuana was found, along with his 2 associates, who were Masthan Wali and Muhammad Abbas. All 3 have been arrested. Police said that accused would purchase marijuana from their contact Praveen from Vishakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh and smuggle it to the city concealed in a goods vehicle. They would then store it at the flat and sell it to the other peddlers in the city. In the crackdown against drug peddlers in the city, many more actors and musicians are under the police scanner for their alleged link into the massive drug racket case. The Central Crime Branch Sleuths on Wednesday also grilled actors and couple Digant and Andrita Rai in connection with the alleged drug trafficking case. Central Crime Branch sources said that they allegedly found the pictures of couple attending parties that other accused person Ragini Dwivedi and Sanjana Galrani had also attended. They further said that couple would be questioned about their links to the other accused in the case, including Viren Khanna, Aditya Alva, Rahul Tonse, and Ravi Shankar. Indian policemen stand guard on the streets of southern India, city of Bangalore on January 22, 2007. Federal police were deployed and schools were shut in India's technology hub of Bangalore on Monday after communal rioting between Hindus and Muslims, which left one 12-year-old boy dead and dozens of people hurt. There was a video of Andrita Roy promoting a party that went viral in some of the party groups. They want to question the couple based on that and also regarding the information provided by other accused person. The Central Crime Branch said all the accused have been booked them under the sections 21, 21C, 27A, 27B and 29B of the Narcotics, Drug and Psychotropic Substance Act 1985. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe our channel Forensic Mart for more upcoming interesting case studies related to forensic science.